22 pieces 5D diamonds painting tools and accessories kits with diamond painting roller and diamond embroidery box for adults or kids. Package included 1's diamond painting roller, 1x 28 grid storage box, 1x tweezers, 1's transparent tool bag, 4's diamond pen, 3's diamond plastic tray, 1's label sticker and 10's glue. Total 22 pieces, 1 PC transparent tool bag with random colors. Diamond painting roller, specially designed rolling wheel surface material. It is lightweight but long-lasting performance, ideal pressing roller for diamond painting. Effectively help sticking diamond painting beads firmer to the canvas and do no harm to the shininess of diamonds. 28 grid storage box. The box snaps shut tightly for worry-free storage, simple and practical, convenient for you apart different colored diamonds. Diamond sticky pen introduction. 4 different diamond sticky pen, especially suitable for a large area with the same color diamond. Ordinary diamond sticky pen can only stick 1 diamond. 369 pieces. Diamond sticky pen can stick 369 diamonds at the same time. Diamond sticky speed is 1 to 9 times than ordinary diamond sticky pen. Guarantee. If you're not happy with diamond painting tools kits, just return it and ask for money back, so try it risk-free. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.